train, train, train. Verb. Definition: teach a person or animal a particular skill or type of behavior through practice and instruction over a period of time. Example: the plan trains people for promotion. Verb. Definition: point or aim something, typically a gun or camera, at. Example: the detective trained his gun on the side door. Verb. Definition: go by train. Example: Charles trained to Chicago with Emily. Noun. Definition: a series of railroad cars moved as a unit by a locomotive or by integral motors. Example: a freight train. Noun. Definition: a succession of vehicles or pack animals traveling in the same direction. Example: a camel train. Noun. Definition: a long piece of material attached to the back of a formal dress or robe that trails along the ground. Example: the bride wore a cream silk dress with a train.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.